Thank you, Governor, and good afternoon, everyone. I'm honored to be here today for the nomination of Judge Serge Georges to our Commonwealth's highest court, and it's an honor to be with Michelle and your two beautiful daughters today. With this nomination of Judge Georges, we believe we have brought together a professional and diverse group of dedicated jurists who will serve the Commonwealth with distinction, and I've been honored to chair the hearings of these jurists with my colleagues on our Governor's Council. His background is extensive and impressive. Judge Georges managed a hectic courtroom for 7 years and presided over the Dorchester Drug Court. Through all his work, he has developed a reputation for treating everyone who came before him, as well as colleagues, staff, and attorneys, with courtesy and respect. While this is expected, it is not always practiced, especially in a fast-paced environment. A strong emphasis and value on education was instilled by his parents at a young age, as the Governor referred to. And as a fellow Eagle, Judge Georges graduated from Boston College and also attended BC High. He attended Suffolk University Law School. His connection to his alma maters remains strong, and he has a great sense of pride for the schools that he attended. I would say maybe more so his Boston College pride shows an awful lot. In January of this year, BC High awarded Judge Georges the James E. Carter 55 Courage Award, inducting him into the Hall of Fame. This award is presented to a member of the BC High community in recognition of courage in the face of adversity, tenacious spirit, and force of will. And I could think of no one better suited to receive that award and that recognition. As someone that continues to list BC High in his resume, and who has emulated Boston College's motto and mission, men and women for others, Judge Georges has embraced his Jesuit education and has served others as a well-rounded person and seeks the betterment of all mankind in and out of his courtroom. Judge Georges currently serves as the Vice Chair for BC High's Board of Trustees and teaches several classes for Suffolk Law, where he strives to mentor young law students and many law students and also practicing attorneys. As a judge in the Boston Municipal Court, Judge Georges has been on the front lines of one of the busiest courts in our Commonwealth. Colleagues point to his ability to move a busy docket and yet allow every litigant to feel that they were respected and heard and felt that they were fairly treated. Judge Georges also presided over the Dorchester Drug Court. Drug courts are treatment-focused programs working to help those who struggle with addiction and help them work through their addiction, as well as the criminal justice system in which they are introduced, mostly because of their addiction. They believe providing meaningful treatment is beneficial to both the addict and the community, with recovery being directly correlated to drops in criminal activity and recidivism. Presiding on the drug court, Judge Georges was known for giving those that came before him a chance and holding them accountable at the same time, as the Governor discussed. And when he discusses his time on the drug court, Judge Georges talks about this as being one of his greatest accomplishments in getting every one of our participants into meaningful inpatient substance use treatment and managing their sobriety. He believed in getting participants into treatment and meetings with participants in order to benefit not only the individuals, but because helping them benefited the community as a whole. And I know, Judge Georges, you take this very seriously, and I valued our discussion on that point specifically during our interview. He understands the practicality and real-world implications of his decisions, and I am confident that he will bring that front-line perspective to the SJC. Prior to joining the bench in 2013, Judge Georges had a varied and diverse practice, having been a partner of Barron and Stadfield. He also managed his own solo practice, not easy to do, handling everything from commercial litigation, housing, landlord-tenant matters, and criminal defense. His professional experiences in the private sector have helped shape his approach as a jurist, aware of the practical considerations for lawyers and litigants in accessing the courts and the costly considerations that affect litigation. Judge Georges has made a legal career out of his grit, his work ethic, and his intelligence. Those that have worked with him have said that he's impossible not to like and respect. He always finds a way to connect with people and commands attention in a room, while giving people an opportunity to just be themselves. I have the utmost confidence that if confirmed, Judge Georges will be an excellent addition to and will contribute to and complement the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court. I look forward to the advice and consent of my colleagues on the Governor's Council, and I wish to thank the SJC Nominating Commission, chaired by our Chief Legal Counsel, Bob Ross, and Paul Dacier. I also wish to thank Lauren Green-Petrino and all of you for your hard work and dedication to this process. It is now my honor to introduce